So hello guys, welcome back to another video of Infinity Ops. So today I'm gonna show you how to add friends in Infinity Ops. So first of all, you need to click on the social icon on Infinity Ops dashboard. After that, you need to click on friends on top of the menu. Then you can see here find friends, click on that on lower left corner. Then you need to enter your player ID. After that you need to click on add friend. So this is how you can add your friend. If you don't know how to find player ID, you can click on the player name. Then you can see here the ID. So in my case, my ID is 165100692. So this is how you can find ID and add your friend, or you can give your ID to add you. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and bye.